MCP is the reason AI assistants can suddenly read your files, query your database, and drive your apps. Every major tool adopted it this year. In the next 6 minutes, you'll understand exactly how it works and build your own MCP server in about 20 lines of code. Working example included, free, link below. Here's the problem. A language model on its own is a brain in a jar. Brilliant, but it can't touch anything. Your files, your calendar, your invoices, locked away. Before MCP, every assistant needed a custom integration for every app. 100 assistants, 100 apps, 10,000 integrations. Nobody was building all that. MCP, Model Context Protocol, fixes it with a standard plug. Think USB. You write one MCP server for your app, and every assistant that speaks the protocol can use it. Claude, coding agents, desktop apps, whatever comes next. One connector, everything fits. That's the whole idea. 3 pieces. The client is the assistant. It discovers what's available and decides when to use it. The server is the connector you build. It exposes tools. And a tool is just a function with a name and a description. Get invoice, search docs, create booking. The assistant reads those descriptions and calls the right tool at the right moment. You don't hardwire anything. To build one, you need exactly 2 things: Python, or Node if you prefer, and 5 minutes. We'll use the official Python SDK. Install it with pip install MCP. As the client, we'll use Claude Desktop, but the same server plugs into Claude Code, Cursor, and most agent frameworks unchanged. Let's build a server that answers questions about your invoices. Create a file, server.py. Import fast MCP. Create a server, give it a name. That's 3 lines and the skeleton is done. Fast MCP handles all the protocol plumbing. You never touch it. Now the tool. Write a normal Python function. Look up invoice. It takes a customer name, returns the open invoices from your data. Add the @server.tool decorator on top and write a clear doc string. That doc string is what the assistant reads to decide when to call it. Good description, good behavior. That's genuinely all a tool is. Connected. In Claude Desktop's config file, add your server under MCP servers, the command to run it and the path. Restart and watch. A little tools icon appears. Now ask, which customers owe me money? The assistant sees your tool, calls it, and answers from your data. With the numbers, not a guess. What are people actually building? Database connectors, so assistants answer from live data. Browser drivers. Doc search over company wikis. Bridges into N8N, so one tool call kicks off a whole automation. And internal business servers, bookings, inventory, invoices, which is exactly what we build for clients every week. 3 safety rules, learned the hard way. 1. Start read only. Expose lookups before you expose actions. 2. Never put secrets in tool descriptions. Clients can see them. 3. Keep destructive tools behind confirmation so the assistant asks before it deletes. Follow those and MCP is safe to run on real business data. Where to go next? Connect this server to Claude Code and it becomes part of an agent that works while you sleep. Wire it to N8N and your automations get a brain. I'm covering both in upcoming videos. Subscribe if you want them. The full working server from today, plus our automation template kits, are free below. Grab the code, first link in the description. Enter your email and the downloads unlock, including 4 complete automation kits with setup guides. And if you want an MCP server or automation built for your business, done for you. agentlabs.agency. See you in the next one.